Starting with a question that almost every website owner asks: why pay extra for a domain name or an SSL certificate when some hosting providers include them for free? Whether you are starting your first blog, launching an online store, or building a professional portfolio, saving money on these essentials can make a big difference. In this video, I am going to review 5 hosting providers in 2025 that offer both a free domain and a free SSL certificate with their plans, and explain why each one might be the right choice for you. First up is Hostinger has become one of the most popular hosting providers for beginners and small businesses because it combines affordability with performance. Their annual plans include a free domain for the first year and a free SSL certificate, so your website can start with 0 extra cost for these essentials. What really sets Hostinger apart is their light-speed servers, which are significantly faster than standard servers, ensuring your site loads quickly, even if you have heavy content. They also offer an intuitive custom control panel called hPanel, one-click WordPress installation, and 24/7 support. These features make Hostinger ideal for people who want a simple yet reliable hosting solution without any technical complications. Next, we have Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org, which makes it an excellent choice for bloggers and small business owners. Like Hostinger, Bluehost provides a free domain for the first year on most hosting plans, and SSL certificates are included for all websites. Their cPanel interface is clean and easy to use, and the one-click WordPress installation allows beginners to get started quickly. Bluehost also offers good uptime, solid security features, and 24/7 support. One of the reasons Bluehost is popular is because it balances performance, ease of use, and reliability, which is exactly what most beginners need. The third provider on the list is Ada Hosting. Ada Hosting is widely recognized for its speed. Their turbo servers are designed to load websites up to 20 times faster than traditional hosting, which can make a huge difference in user experience and SEO. Depending on the plan you choose, Ada Hosting offers a free domain and a free SSL certificate. They also provide advanced developer tools such as SSH, Access, staging environments, and Git integration, which makes them a perfect choice if you plan to scale your website or need more control over your environment, combined with strong security measures, daily backups, and reliable uptime. A2 Hosting is one of the best options for performance-focused websites. Fourth on the list is HostGator. HostGator provides both a free domain and free SSL certificate on select plans. One of the biggest advantages of HostGator is its flexible hosting options. They offer shared hosting for beginners, VPs for growing websites, and dedicated servers for high-traffic websites. Their cPanel interface is familiar and easy to use, allowing beginners to manage domains, emails, and files without hassle. HostGator is also known for its responsive 24/7 customer support, which is helpful if you run into technical issues. If you want hosting that can grow with your website and give you peace of mind with support and security, HostGator is a solid choice. Finally, we have SiteGround. SiteGround is slightly different from the others in that not all of its plans include a free domain, but higher tier packages do. They always include a free SSL certificate, along with excellent security features, daily backups, and high uptime guarantees. SiteGround is particularly popular for WordPress websites because of its speed and optimized servers. One of their strongest points is customer support, which is among the best in the industry. If reliability, support, and long-term performance are your top priorities, SiteGround is worth considering, even if the free domain comes only on certain plans. Now, let's summarize why someone might choose these providers. Hostinger is great for beginners who want affordability, fast servers, and a beginner-friendly control panel. Bluehost is perfect for WordPress users and those who want official recommendation and strong all-around performance. Ada Hosting is ideal for users who value speed and want developer-friendly features. HostGator is flexible, scalable, and provides peace of mind with strong support. SiteGround is focused on reliability, security, and excellent customer service. All 5 of these hosting providers allow you to start your website without spending extra money on a domain or SSL, which is a huge advantage for new website owners. Beyond free domain and SSL, each provider also offers fast performance, security, and reliable support, which are essential for growing your website. In conclusion, If you are planning to start a website in 2025 and want to save money while getting a strong hosting foundation, these 5 hosting providers are some of the best options available. Hostinger, Bluehost, A2. Hosting, Host, and SiteGround not only provide free domains and SSL, but also ensure your website is secure, fast, and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share your experience with any of these hosting providers. Which one are you planning to try? Let me know in the comments below.